Assalamu alaikum, welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I will share IBA screening test paper for intermediate category paper 7. It was held in morning shift on 24th June 2023. I will share part 1 English in this video. Passage for the reading comprehension. Read the following passage and answer the questions set below it, keeping in view the contextual meaning of the words used in the passage. Road users need to be made aware of safety factors that can make roads safe for use. A number of strategies can be adopted for this purpose. The media, both radio and television, can give people road safety instructions through appealing programs. Schools can contact their local police stations to request traffic education for their students. The traffic police need to teach traffic rules to the people who apply for driving license. Parents also have a big responsibility. They must understand that safe roads will keep their families safe and protect them from the grief and harm that road accidents cause. They need to advise their children on road safety. Sometimes children who are underage drive cars as well as motorcycles that they borrow or rent. They often drive too fast and carelessly. Here the parents' role is very important. They must not allow their children to drive without a driving license. Moreover, they should teach them from an early age not to play on the roads and how to cross the road safely. Answer the following first 1 to 10 questions from the above passage you have just listened. And the underlined word aware is used as A verb, B adjective, C adverb, D noun, and the correct answer is B adjectives. Number 2. The words most used in the second paragraph of the passage about traffic are A. Road, safely, safety. B. Driving rules, use, traffic. C. Users, people, police. D. Education, students, instructions, contact, purpose. And the correct answer is A. Road, roads, safely, safety. Question number 3. Can appearing 4 times in the first paragraph has been used as A. Main verb. B. Both a modal verb and auxiliary verb. C. An action verb. D. A state verb. And the correct answer is B. Both a modal verb and auxiliary verb. Question number 4. How many to be verbs are used in the passage? A1, B2, C3, D4. And the correct answer is B2. Question number 5. The passage is mainly about A. Safe roads and traffic safety. B. Accidents. C. Traffic rules. And the correct answer is A. Safe roads and traffic safety. Question number 6. The passage is written in present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present indefinite tense, D. Present perfect continuous tense. And the correct answer is C. Present indefinite tense. Question number 7. The underlined word media A is used both as a singular and noun and plural noun. B is used as a plural of noun medium. C. Takes plural verb only. D. Takes singular verb only. And the correct answer is used as plural of noun medium. Question number 8. Road users need to be made aware of safety factors. The structure of the above cited sentence from the passage makes A. Compound sentence. B. Complex sentence. C. Sentence in active voice. D. Sentence in passive voice. And the correct answer is D. Sentence in passive voice. Question number 9. 4 most important words noted throughout the passage are A. Road safety, traffic rules. B. Police, safe, protect, drive. C. Driving license, cross safely. D. Instruction, education, drive fast. And the correct answer is A. Road safety and traffic rules. Question number 10. How many nouns relating to persons are mentioned in passage? Nouns that are repeated may be included in the count. A. 10, B. 11, C. 12, D. 13. And the correct answer is B. 11. Meaning of underlined words, synonyms and antonyms are based on their contextual meaning in the sentence. Synonyms. Question number 11. Traffic rules can help prevent many accidents. A. Stop somebody from doing something dangerous. B. Prohibit somebody from doing something harmful. C. To stop something dangerous from happening. D. To take measures to achieve a particular aim. And the correct answer is C. To stop something dangerous from happening. Question number 12. All sources should be used to create safe roads. A. Steps and means. B. Methods. C. Actions. D. Precautions. And the correct answer is B. Methods. Question number 13. Some common safety tips are discussed. A. Pointed ends of some things. B. Small parts of something. C. Secret or expert piece of advice. D. Hints. And the correct answer is C. Secret or expert piece of advice. Question number 14. We should learn English. A. Know by thinking about something. B. Gain knowledge by studying something. C. Watch something closely. D. Read, write and speak. And the correct answer is gain knowledge by studying something. Question number 15. We visited our grandmother last summer. A. Past. B. Ending. C. Previous. D. Final. And the correct answer is C. Previous. Now comes antonyms. Question number 16. Write some words that match meaning of these words. A. Mismatch. B. Dismatch. C. Unmatch. D. Mismatch. And the correct answer is A. Mismatch. Question number 17. Doctors serve humans. A. Inhumans. B. Non-humans. C. Unhumans. D. Human. And the correct answer is B. Non-humans. Question number 18. Mechanical engineers are paid highly. A. Lowest. B. Lowly. C. Least. D. Low. And the correct answer is D. Low. Question number 19. It addresses problems facing agriculture. A. Solution. B. Answers. D. Remedies. D. Cures. And the correct answer is A. Solutions. Question number 20. The medical field is most popular professional field. A. Common. B. Notorious. C. Unpopular. D. Misliked. And the correct answer is C. Unpopular. Now comes error detection. Number 21. You have been given a voice to those who do not have it. And error is in B. A voice. Question number 22. These peoples are as innocent as babies. And the correct answer error is in babies. Plural babies. Question number 23. It is so difficult that one cannot come over it. And the correct answer is D. Come over. Question number 24. He brought some informations about his father. And the correct error is in C. Informations. Question number 25. His father was mainly away from home because of his preoccupations. And the mistake is in. Now comes prepositions. Question number 26. We should take some steps dash the regard. A. About. B. In. C. To. D. For. And the correct preposition is in. We should take some steps in the regard. Question number 27. A clever girl dash Mariam made such mistake. A. As. B. Like. C. To. D. For. And correct preposition is B. Like. A clever girl like Mariam made such a mistake. Question number 28. I spoke dash my foot. A. For. B. Of. C. About. D. To. And the correct answer is B. Of. I spoke of my foot. Question number 29. He worked dash a day fruit commission agent. A. As. B. At. C. To. D. In. And the correct answer is As. He worked as a day fruit commission agent. Question number 30. He learned dash love and care dash his mother. A. Off with. B. To for. C. Into. D. About from. And the correct answer is B. He learned to love and care for his mother. Now comes sentence structure. The children are A. Really enjoying. B. Really enjoying themselves. C. Really enjoying their. D. Enjoying. And the correct answer is B. Really enjoying themselves. 2. The old man is looking tiring. B. Was looking tiring. C. Is looked very tired. D. Looks very tired. And the correct option is D. The old man looks very tired. Question number 33. The goats are. And the correct option is C. The goats are busy grazing grass. Question number 34. I don't know how to drive a car. A car driving. C. To drive a car. D. Car drive. And the correct answer is C. To drive a car. I don't know to drive a car. Question number 35. Our teacher A. Won't take the test today. B. Won't give the test today. C is not taking the test today. D was not giving the test today. And the correct answer is B. Our teacher won't give the test today. Now comes correct spelling. In number 36, D is the correct spelling of ambulance. AMBULANCE. Number 37, B is the correct spelling. FUNERAL, funeral. Number 38, psychiatrist is the correct spelling. A. Number 39, C, dispensary is the correct spelling. And number 40, D, wedding, WEDDING is the correct spelling. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy for more videos.